come and practice at our nets in Rajarajeshwari Nagar. The celebrities are not just no pushovers. They mean business on a cricket field. I'm not surprised the quality of cricket they played.
Wow, he's given that a good swing. There's a fielder. Oh, he makes a mess of it. Karan, the fielder, coming in from long gone. Was always going to be a difficult one, running sidewards to his right. But in the end, it isn't just the catch that goes down, 4 conceded as well. A little hop there. Oh, he swatted that. I hit that so hard that even long off could not cut that off.
That was a smashing shot. Ravi Shastri would say it went like a trace of a bullet. Though the fielder tried, he didn't get to reach the ball. Went past him like a bullet.
They're not going to go down without a fight, these Telugu Warriors, Joseph. They're going to give it their all right till the very end.
Increase the run rate in the middle overs and then go for the finish. Oh, that's another smashing shot. Through covers. Nobody out there. Piercing the field. Sagar Gowda has already conceded 9 runs in the first 3 balls. That was giving too much width. It was short and wide. It was an invitation to be smashed. And he did that.
Yeah, Akhil Akkineni, well, immediately gets up, and so does Ashwin Babu as well. The 2-star batters, they'll wait their turn to come and do the damage in the centre. But at the moment, Thaman is enjoying himself. 13 of 7, 21 for no loss in 9 deliveries. It's the kind of start they needed. Oh, wait on. Confusion in the centre. Thankfully, doesn't prove to be costly from a Warriors perspective.
The ball, he didn't pick it up well.
It's almost 11 p.m., Joseph, on a Saturday.
Oh.
My goodness. Boy, has he smacked that. He packs a punch all right. He doesn't back out. He's giving that a good swing. 25 now. His game is most certainly on. And like we said, it's almost 11 p.m. and there are at least 15 to 18,000 fans at the stadium.
And they're still waiting to watch an exciting finish. Wanting to restrain Thaman from scoring freely.
Well, it's been that kind of a match. It's been on for a while.
They have the energy. Oh, he hammers him. Oh, it's gone all the way for a 6. Rajiv has conceded 18 runs of the 7 balls he bowled. In that, 4 were illegal balls, wide balls. That was a smashing shot. Rajiv to Thaman. Thaman is on fire.
Cheeky, but super effective. Slower delivery. Almost played a little too early. Somehow manages to get the bat down in time. And he angles it to perfection and he picks up a boundary. And Thaman is keeping the Warriors in the hunt.
Looks like a match is on. They could get closer, which we never anticipated earlier. Rajiv is under pressure now. Oh, he smashed him. Oh, it's over the fielder. That's another boundary. Thaman is smashing the bowlers on either side of the wicket, either side of the square. He's also hitting straight. So he's got many options to play. He's got strokes all around the wicket.
Have a look at that. He's hit one over deep mid wicket, one behind square on the leg side. This time with width on offer. He's taken that downtown to where long off would have been. He's hitting them all around the park, Thaman. 32 of 14. Now that is a strike rate. That is mighty impressive. Over 220 the strike rate. Waits. Take 4 more. He's putting on a show. Not too many here at the Chinnaswamy that quite like it.
Thaman is on fire. Already Karnataka Bulldozers are feeling the heat. This is the 4th boundary in this over, including a 6, 3 boundaries and a 6. Rajiv is not done yet. He's got a ball to go in the second over. He's already conceded 30 runs. It's proving very expensive. Oh, there was a chance of a run out, a direct hit. Thaman was definitely out of the crease. Fortunately, he escaped the run out. At the end of 3 overs, Telugu Warriors are 45 for no loss.
Be firing on all cylinders from ball 1.
थमन जो कि पिछले सत्र में काफ़ी अच्छी बल्लेबाजी की थी, अच्छे ऑलराउंडर खिलाड़ी हैं वो। रोहित सिंह ने गेंदबाजी का आगाज़ किया बहुत पूरी दबंग से, जिन्होंने अच्छी गेंदबाजी की थी। लेफ्ट आर्म ओवर द विकेट गेंदबाजी करते हैं और सही लाइनर पे गेंदबाजी करेंगे तो विकेट लेने में कामयाब हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि इस तरह की गेंदबाजी शायद उन्होंने पहले नहीं खेली है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल जरूर होगा वहां पर तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के बल्लेबाजों को।
Gonna try and bludgeon the ball from outside off stump towards leg side.
और थमन बिल्कुल स्टंप्स कवर करके खड़ रहे हैं और ये बढ़िया स्ट्रोक वहां पर, और हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट की तरह उसको कवर के ऊपर से खेल दिया 4 रन के लिए।
I think ये 2 जो फील्डर्स लिए हैं लेग साइड पे बाउंड्री पे, क्योंकि ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर अगर गेंदबाजी करेंगे तो वहां से समझदार इतने हैं धवन के नहीं लपेट के मारेंगे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे पूरा रूम है। Means you got so much space on the offside and a delivery is bowled in that region. Why would you try and play across the line towards leg side?
थमन कवर पर और क्या स्ट्रोक खेला है वहां पर, गेंद को निकाल दिया है लॉन्ग लेग बाउंड्री के बाहर 4 रन के लिए। और थमन स्ट्राइक पर बिल्कुल विकेट को कवर कर लेता है और देखिए गेंद को उठा दिया है मिड विकेट बाउंड्री के बाहर 6 रन के लिए। क्या बढ़िया स्ट्रोक खेला है वहां पर। दोनों ही बल्लेबाज एक मिशन से आए हैं, एक टारगेट लेके आए हैं कि अपने पावर प्ले में लीड को पूरा करना है।
फिर से देखिए ये ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर का बॉल है, पूरा मौका मिला उसे लपेटने का। अगर बिल्कुल शरीर में उनकी गेंदबाजी रहती तो जो क्रैम्प हो जाते हैं ना, दैट इज अ बेटर ऑप्शन फॉर द बॉलर।
25 बिना किसी नुकसान के ये 11वीं गेंद फेंकी जा रही है दूसरी इनिंग की, और बाहरी किनारा गेंद चली गई है फाइन थर्ड मैन बाउंड्री के बाद 4 रन के लिए।
या सिर्फ 17 रन पीछे हैं, अभी दूसरे ओवर की एक गेंद बची है। हाई फाइव्स आर इन ऑर्डर, स्माइल्स कैन easily tell you that the story is shifting. Bhojpuri, the Bucks under pressure now. They have to find something in the tank. One more delivery in the over 16, already conceded by Vikrant.
मोमेंटम जो है अब तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की तरफ आ गया है, क्योंकि अच्छी शुरुआत हुई है दूसरी पारी में। 29 रन बन चुके हैं, 11 गेंदें हुई।